Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing and personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. If you would just take a short moment to go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe, help us get to that 500 subscribers milestone. That would be really awesome. We are 99 away from that. But with that said, let's go ahead and get right into the Webull portfolio update. Okay, so as you can see, we're at $18,092.03. It's still going to change because it's only 1:27 Pacific time. We have gained $5,829 approximately in this portfolio, which puts us at about 47% return. It's not the highest that we've had as a return in this portfolio, but considering that we, added some money and, switched some things around, that is not bad at all. We're almost at 50% return, so we really can't complain. We do have $24.72 in buying power, and our risk level is safe. So those are things that we're excited about. As you can see, this free stock that I was able to receive from a referral has gained us $2.12. Which is a 5% return. So shout out to the people that hit the Webull referral links. If you want to go ahead and do that, it'll be down in the description for you to be able to do so. We also have Canadian Pacific Railway, which is up $2.34 for a 0.60% return. So not much growth there, but we really believe in that company, so we'll see what happens in the near future. Whitehorse Financial is up 44 cents for a almost 3% return, so that's great to see. IBM is starting to gain some traction with $13.56 return for an almost 5% return. We don't want it to get too high though, because we do plan on investing and getting a higher position. We do have Hyliion Holdings, which is starting to gain some traction. Like I told you guys, this company was in the negative. It was all red for us a couple of weeks ago, but now we've gained $18.16 for a 17.5% return. This company has gotten as high as $40 a share, so the fact that we're able to get a nice little position in is fantastic. If it does decline again, we'll get even a smaller share price and a higher position in this company, because we do believe in it for the EV sector in the long term. Hyliion and Workhorse Group are the companies that we truly believe in, and as you can see, Workhorse Group is still down $7.48 for a 5% loss. Next up, we have Airbnb, which has been really kind of I don't want to say like bipolar over the last couple of weeks. We're not sure what's going to go on with that, but we do believe in the company. We do believe in their business model, so we might go ahead and purchase one more share just to get that at like $300 flat, just to have more than one share in our position. Now, Rocket Companies is a company that we went ahead and were bold and bought 50 shares of, we added 48 shares in a span of a week and a half to this position, because we're so bullish on it and we wanted to kind of put our money where our mouth is. And then immediately it tanked after we bought the 48 extra shares, and it got down to like $16 a share, and there was an opportunity to buy more shares at a lower price, but we didn't do that. We held out because we've had some other expenses to take care of. But we have Coca-Cola up next, which has gained $10.85 for an almost 4% return. We have AbbVie, one share here, it's gained $29.04 for a 33% return. We do have TELUS Communications, which has gained $29.18 for an almost 15% return. Shaw Communications, we have 5 shares here. We've gained $59.48 for a 66% return. Walgreens Boot Alliance is up $165.47 for a 42% return. Simon Property Group, $330.83 gained for an almost almost 100% return there. Apple is up $59.32, and we've gained almost 5% on that. I'm not going to talk about the single stock positions in this portfolio. So we have BP, which we have 5 shares of, up $45.16 for a 48% return. We do have Tesla here as well, which is up $2,323.43 for a 173% return, which is pretty mediocre considering that it's Tesla, but we'll take it anyways. And we know that in the near future, whenever that may be, if it takes 2 years, 5 years, Tesla's going to gain some money. So we'll continue to hold and be happy with what we have. We also have, Aflac, 2 shares here, gained $38.62 for a 52% return. We have OKE or One Oak, which has gained $121 for a 28% return. So we're definitely thinking about going ahead and continuing with this company, buying some more shares. If we could get that to 20 shares in this position, that would be really awesome. We do have Clorox, which we're definitely considering getting to 5 shares. We're down $46.18 for an 8% loss. We do have Kimberly & Clark, which is also down $14.18, and we'd love to get that to 5 shares as well. That's a 5% loss as well. We have DKNG, which is DraftKings. We're up $27.32 for an 11% return, and we want to get that to 10 shares. Halliburton, we have 2 shares here. We've gained $26.90 for a 127% return. We have Viacom CBS, which is, we have 2 shares here, gaining $59.16 for a 231% return. We have Snapchat, 5 shares here, gained $278, 664% return on that. Starbucks, $46.71. I know that's 1 share position that we have, but it's up 71%. We also have Southwest, which is up $247.08. We've gained 40% on our 15 shares. We have Bank of Nova Scotia, 20 shares here, up $420.56 for a 46% return. And then we have Vanguard Real Estate ETF, which is up $9.95 for a 10% return. And if you know me, you know that this was the very first position I bought in this portfolio, and it immediately tanked down like $15 or $20 a share. So the fact that it's gained some money is refreshing to see. But like I said, that brings our profit to $6,400, $67.70 in the time span that we've had this portfolio, and we're really happy with that. We've also gained $211.32 in the time that we've had this, or $211.32 in dividends, with an additional $47.29 in dividends that weren't counted as dividends because they were either MLP or other things like foreign stocks as well. But with that said, we're super excited to see where this portfolio goes. But I'm gonna not hold you any longer. If you would just take a moment to go and smash that like button, hit the subscribe for me, that would go a really long way for growing my community and helping me reach my goals. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless.